Bonjour, Kinamagi and Ireland Editioncast, and welcome to this reading Tier 2 intervention. Today's episode, Adverbs. We're going to begin today by talking about adverbs. If I can make this larger for you. No. All right, adverbs are words that describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They answer the questions of how, when, where, and how much or often. So we're going to find the adverbs together. And today there is not a Google worksheet. It's going to be a discussion, and then you'll have an opportunity to reread your text. All right, so when Frederick first came to the Eld, Sophia Eld taught him the alphabet. So I'm looking for a word of how, when, where, how much. Oh, I have a when they first came to Ald's. So that would be a when. Because it gave me if I could have said when Frederick came to the Alds, but we don't know exactly how much later. That gives us a little insight of how quickly. Number 2, Douglas wrote later in life, once you learn to read, you will be forever free. We have later in life, tells us when he wrote it. And that's going to be a when. Third one, I want you to say them out loud from wherever you're at. Covey almost succeeded in breaking Frederick's spirit. Which word is the adverb? If you said almost, you're right, because it tells you that how much of the success that they had. He was almost successful. Next one, Covey and Douglas fought for nearly 2 hours. And we get nearly, which describes the 2 hours. That's how much. Lincoln's walking stick still rests in Douglas' house. The verb here is rest. Still tells you that it's something that's going on. Then the newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Douglas settled in Massachusetts. Wed is the verb, nearly describes it. That's a when. And many people didn't believe a slave could write so eloquently. So is the word, and it's describing eloquently. So that's a how much. And Douglas repeatedly urged President Lincoln to consider abolition of slavery. Urged is the verb, repeatedly tells you how often. Now, the assignment today is you're going to either view the video or reread your Frederick Douglass Forever Free. There is not a Google form for this today, and we'll look forward to tomorrow's video. Mama P.